So it seems like we're all hopeless in this season with everything that's happening in the world. We feel like, what's the point in trying? What's the point in dreaming, in having our goals? These graffiti arts that you're seeing, the artists, it took them a long time to put this up. And they run the risk of having it painted over. I wonder how that feels, but yet they labor to get this art up because they have something to say. With our dreams, with our goals, we all have something to say in this world. We all have something to declare. I've heard that it takes 3 years to achieve success in whatever your goal or dreams are. 3 years? Who's to say I'm in the right time? Who's to say my 3 years is not my year of preparation? Why does there have to be a time limit? Miss Aaliyah said it best. First you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try and try and try again. That's what we're supposed to do. Try and try and try again. Because your voice needs to exist in whatever space your dreams are held. And there's no giving up. I'm praying for my hope to resurrect. I'm praying for my optimism to resurrect. Because I know my voice needs to occupy the space that I have been called to occupy. What space do you need to occupy? Start dreaming it now.